A sight I haven't seen in a little bit. What is that? So because of the fact that I have those seats back there, this bike doesn't really fit. So I had to put it like in the front, which is kind of in a way for like a passenger. But man, does it feel good to see this car again. So the last time you guys saw this car, we installed these seats and we installed the turbo back with the T51R mod, right? I drove this car like twice. What is that? Yo, what is that? I don't know what that was, but I drove this car like twice and then we left out of town. Oh my gosh. I can't be the only person that always does that. Get that ding. I really want to get the metal one that does that ding every time you put it back, but I kind of don't feel like switching all that. Let's pray to God that this car starts. Let's go, baby. Do we have gas? Okay, we got enough gas. Probably still gonna fill it up, but feels good to be home, baby. I'm not sure how well I showed it last time. But long story short, we got the turbo back, we installed it, right? It's beautiful, beautiful chrome, right? But we have an issue with the turbo hitting the hood. So that's why we installed this thing, but like it kind of burnt it. And it also messed up the finish on the turbo, which is whatever, it is what it is. So I bought like this heat stuff to kind of like make it look a little better. And it like burnt the heat stuff, but I don't think it's meant for like stuff like this. So I might have to like go on Amazon and like buy an actual heat roll or like fiberglass or whatever the case is. But in the meantime, we're just gonna replace this if it comes off without messing anything up. And if we're lucky, I have a fat exhaust leak. Holy cow. There's a fat exhaust leak right here. I can hear it. That's crazy. That means I gotta fix this. No way, bro. No freaking way. You can literally hear it. And I can feel the air come off of it. See if I can fix this real quick. I don't understand how there's an exhaust leak though, unless I didn't tighten this back, which it does look a little loose, maybe too much, not enough thread, I should say. But let's see. No, that's pretty tight. So basically what I have to do, right, in order to line it up, because what it is this is a V-band, right, and you guys know that the downpipe and the hot side of the turbo, they have to like literally sandwich perfectly for the V-band to make a solid connection and then like squeeze it, right, so there's no leak. In order for me to lift up the downpipe and put it to the turbo so that it sandwiches it, I have to like get something to lift the downpipe, right? As you guys can see, it's very cluttered right here. We have the charge pipe, and then we have the hoses for like the vacuum, and then for our what do you call it, the catch can right here. So it's really hard to get your hand in here, and we have the brace bar. So I have to get a zip tie. I have to somehow get it underneath there to hook it, and then I have to pull up the downpipe while simultaneously tighten the V-band. So it is a little, it sounds harder than what it is, but long story short, we got it. I kind of want to start to make sure that it's 100% fixed, but I also don't want to take off this zip tie. But you guys know, literally like 30 seconds and the downpipe is extremely way too hot to touch. So I'm scared if I leave it, it's gonna burn it, and then I don't want that in the engine bay. So we're gonna test our luck. The downpipe's right here, so if there is another leak, you're gonna hear it. Let's see. Nope, it's still there. Bruh! This is so annoying. Look, you can literally see it. You can literally see it. It's like the air is pushing it. This is so annoying, bro. Alright, back to square one. Alright, well this video went wrong real quick. This actually wasn't what this video was supposed to be about, but we had to fix this exhaust. So, because there's a leak, it's like pretty obvious, right? I've been trying for the past hour and no luck. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm just gonna have to remove the whole entire turbo again. I'm gonna have to put this side on first and then pretty much go from there. It kind of sucks, but it is what it is. It's not that hard, but at the same time, it just kind of sucks. So let's get to it. Okay guys, this is literally, I'm not even playing, like 3 hours later. This was an entire nightmare. And I don't even know if it's I still don't know if it's fixed, right? We had to loosen this, both ends. We had to loosen it on the charge pipe just to get some play over here, just to allow this to kind of scoot over and get in there right. And then of course take off this, the drain, the charge pipe coupler for the intercooler. It's a whole mess. So it looks like it's actually sitting better than it was before, and it looks like it was, or it looks like this is how it was sitting before, because I of course remember. So we're gonna start it. Lord, please, 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 please be on my side. So I'm gonna put you guys right here. You're gonna hear it first. Shout out to my lovely assistant.
Yeah, I just did my nails and now they're covered in, is it called fiber?
You're you're getting experience. No, that's just dirt.
Oh, that's just dirt.
Alright, let's see.
Alright.
Actually, hold on.
You want me to press it so you can look at it?
No, let me double check to make sure. The charge pipe's on, it doesn't matter. We're not driving it. That's loose too, but that doesn't matter. I just want to make sure all the oil stuff is on. Oil drain is on. That's on. Alright.
I'm praying so hard right now.
Here we go. Lord, please! Please! Oh, man. Let's go! She's all looking up there. Let's go! Let's go, baby. We're good. Alright, let me turn it off. Alright, now we gotta put everything back together. So, charge pipe, tighten this for the throttle body. Put that back, the bar, the strut bar, and we'll be done. Dog, that took
forever.
That took so freaking long. It wasn't even funny. Like I probably spent 6 hours. 6 hours on this.
Honestly, yeah.
6 hours just trying to put that back on, guys. 6 hours. Feels so nice to hear that again, man. It's been so long. Gotta love it. It's impossible to hate. All right, you guys want to hear a little bit? It is the very next day, guys. As you guys saw, we tested this car yesterday. Everything is good. Everything is straight. So now we're just headed to a car meet. And we are at our Saturday morning function, guys. Of course, we had hit a car meet. It's actually been a minute since we've been, but we have the mailman in town. He always does the same thing. That's crazy. We also have Chris in town. It's a whole function, but let's look at these cars. See what we got. I think this one is probably the cleanest one here, bro. I saw this pulling up. I'm like, bro, this is crazy. See, I wanted a set of these, but literally a pair, just for a pair is like 4 or 5 grand.
Oh, right.
And I was like, this would be the ultimate family car right here. This is the X5M, if I'm not mistaken. You got the little, I forgot what they call this, cargo box, I think it is. Oh no, and it's BMW's cargo box. Yo, you know that was freaking rad.
I don't even know that was a thing.
I didn't know that was a thing either. X7.
I love BMW.
Wait, so does this have a B58?
No, it's 40 up.
Oh, okay. So it doesn't go above a 40. Oh, okay.
I think it probably has a G80.
Yeah, it's still clean though. And then you got the big body rolls. How can I ignore it? How can I ignore it, man? I would still take the spec that we saw at Monterey Car Week, but nonetheless, it's a GT3 RS, guys, and it has that spec with the windows. I don't think they all come like that.
I've never seen it move.
I've never seen it move either, but only in videos, obviously. But this is so clean. Is it satin PPF or not satin? But I think it is PPF. I mean, if you own a car like this, why wouldn't you PPF it though, right?
Yeah, his license plate says downforce.
This is really.
It says downforce.
This is so sick, dog. My ultimate dream car. That's cool. Right, obviously because of the lane, you guys know, aero and all that. But this is so clean. Ultimate dream car right here. Ultimate. Guys, you can't tell me that'd be a perfect car for Jose, bro.
Hey, but look at that M.
Bro, that would be so perfect. I would love to see you drive that. I would love to see
You know the pictures that people do on Instagram?
Yeah. It literally looks like that. That's hilarious. No, but yeah, this is basically what Garage Collective is, right? So if you have a car, you don't have room, or you want to start somewhere, you can like store it here. Or like if you want a place to work on your cars, you can work on it here. So it's pretty cool that they offer that. It's literally like a place for car enthusiasts. They come, hang out, work on their cars, store their cars. It's pretty cool. So I'm not sure if you guys know what kind of car this is, because I don't even know what type of car this is, but look, I'll show you the rear, right? This is what it looks like.
You know he gets no traction.
Yeah, there's no way, but I think he's trying to keep a certain look, right? Here's the interior. We got a roll bar in there. And then here is the engine that's inside of it. We have a 2J. It's stock, but the fact that it has the 2J is crazy.
Everything's custom.
Yeah, it has to be. Look how much room is in there. Just look, off the header is crazy.
Oh,
That's
shit.
well, off the turbo, I should say.
Look.
It's literally just the downpipe.
Off the downpipe. There's no exhaust setup.
That's crazy.
Oh, damn. I want to hear this.
That's and you know it sounds good because it's a freaking 2J. But yeah, everything is custom. Like even that pipe, right? You
That's
know,
what I mean. And then even this pipe.
Yeah.
Insane.
This is crazy. Like it even has like plates back there for the firewall. Yeah. This is my boy with the upper control arms.
You got AC? Nope.
Wait, but his sway bar's not connected. What you doing, man?
You know he be swaying.
You need some in links, my boy. Yeah, they're not. His sway bar's not connected. It's clean though. I like the
The sway bar's not connected.
I like the low key look for sure.
Get out of it.
We got the inside of a Rolls Royce, bro. This is you could just my bad. You could just feel that it's presidential. You know what I mean? Like
Bro, there's a TV in the back of
this
this.
is that a TV? I thought that was a plate.
No, that's a TV.
Oh shoot! I literally thought it was a plate that comes down and like you eat on.
You know the back one's lean back.
That's crazy. What in the world, bro? And what's funny, bro, is you'll exactly. I was just gonna say it'll be like a freaking 2008.
He has that.
Yeah, it's crazy, man. Supercars, hypercars, and luxury cars like this, like Rolls Royce, Bentleys, they don't age. So I saw this car coming in, and obviously the Z sits low, but all I saw was like the actual manifold. I'm like, yo, this is freaking sick.
Bro, he got some guac in here. Look at this dash.
This is crazy. This is crazy, right? Yeah.
Already.
Yeah, man. Props to this for sure. This is clean. I like this. I know my manager's recording, but if you can hear me, dog, props. This is sick. I really do like this. You can look at this brake setup, right? That's crazy. The RBs and the 2Js look similar to me, right? Only reason why I know. Oh, starting it.
Yeah.
Oh shoot. Okay. My man. Yo, this is clean, bro. Props. This is clean. That's crazy. So like I said, the RVs and the 2Js look similar to me. The only reason why I know what's what is because they're swapped, right? So the RV, the intake manifold is on the left and you have the turbo on the right. But on the 2J, the turbo's on the left and the manifold's on the right. But this is clean though. Alright guys, so it's a very monumental moment. My parents haven't seen this car or even been here in like a year and a half. My dad's first time seeing. So the last time he seen it, we didn't have these wheels, we didn't have that steering wheel, we didn't have these seats, and then of course the T51R mod, that's just like a driving mod. But yeah, it's a very monumental moment. It's cool. You like it? It's nice, huh?
It's real nice. I like the steering wheel.
Yeah.
Seats are gripping.
Yeah.
My back.
Yeah.
Feels good.
It's just like on the lower back. That's where it gets uncomfortable. You know, like
okay.
right here.
Oh,
Like
in the
right
middle?
here. Yeah, that's where it gets uncomfortable over long periods of time. But
okay.
other than that, I love this seat.
What does this do?
So this is, so that's for the right here,
Yeah.
and then this is for the rear. So you'll probably feel it lift you up.
Oh, okay.
And then the only non like efficient thing about it is to put this seat back. You have to crank it right here. It's right there. So you know how like it's normally a lever?
Oh yeah.
You have to like turn it.
Oh.
Yeah. So
Gotcha.
it's kind of it's.
Well, it's a two-seater. It's a two-seater.
Yeah, exactly. So I don't have to like.
It's in the back.
Yeah.
But this car
Well,
misses NorCal.
Yeah.
It misses NorCal. We're gonna bring it back.
It's just gonna be hard because the roads suck over there. Yeah.
Do a little ride along.
Oh, I love this car.
Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic got to say. I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back. You ain't fitting for it, cause you all